In the world of real estate, one thing's for sure. It's all about minimizing risk and maximizing returns. That's why property insurance is non-negotiable. It's your safety net, your financial guardian angel. Without it, you're leaving your investment vulnerable to a whole host of potential disasters. We're talking fire, theft, natural disasters, you name it, it can happen. Think of it this way. You've poured your hard-earned money into this property, spent countless hours fixing it up, and now you're ready to reap the rewards. But what happens if disaster strikes and you're left footing the bill for costly repairs or, even worse, a complete rebuild? That's where property insurance swoops in to save the day. It acts as a financial buffer, protecting you from the unexpected costs associated with covered perils. It gives you the peace of mind to focus on what really matters, growing your real estate portfolio. Property insurance isn't just about protecting your physical property, it's about protecting your financial future. It's about making smart, calculated decisions that safeguard your investment and set you up for long-term success in the exciting world of real estate. Investing in real estate can be incredibly rewarding, but let's be real. It comes with its fair share of risks. We're talking fires that can engulf an entire property, natural disasters that can level entire neighborhoods, and even something as simple as a burst pipe causing significant water damage. Without property insurance, you're essentially rolling the dice with your investment. Imagine having to drain your savings account or take on a mountain of debt just to rebuild after a fire or repair extensive damage from a storm. It's a risk no savvy investor should take. Here's the reality. Unexpected events happen, and they can have a devastating impact on your bottom line. Property insurance is your shield against these financial blows. It provides the financial protection you need to bounce back from setbacks and keep your investment dreams on track. Don't let the unexpected derail your real estate aspirations. Protect your investment, protect your future, get property insurance. Now that you know why property insurance is so crucial, let's break down the basics of what it actually covers. Think of it as your insurance toolkit, equipped to handle a range of potential perils. First up, we have structural coverage. This is the bread and butter of your policy, covering the physical structure of your property. We're talking walls, roof, floors, the essential components that make up your building. So, whether it's damage from a fire, hailstorm, or vandalism, you're covered. Next, we have personal property coverage. This protects the stuff you own inside the property. Appliances, furniture, electronics. If it's damaged or destroyed by a covered peril, you can file a claim to help replace or repair it. And last but certainly not least, we have liability coverage. This one's all about protection if someone gets injured on your property and decides to sue. It covers legal fees, medical expenses, the works. These are just the core elements of a typical property insurance policy. Depending on your specific needs and the type of property you own, you can customize your coverage with additional options. Tailoring your protection. Customizing insurance for your unique property. When it comes to property insurance, one size definitely doesn't fit all. Each property is unique, and so are the risks associated with it. That's why it's super important to tailor your coverage to match your property's unique needs. Customizing your insurance policy ensures that you are adequately protected against the specific risks your property faces. Think about it. A small condo in the city has different risks than a sprawling farmhouse in the countryside. Urban properties might face issues like theft or vandalism, while rural properties might be more susceptible to natural disasters or fire hazards. The type of property, its location, its age, and how you use it, these are all factors that come into play when determining the right coverage. For instance, an older home might require additional coverage for potential structural issues, while a newly built property might need less. For example, if you're renting out your property, you'll want to make sure you have adequate liability coverage in case a tenant or their guest gets injured. This is crucial to protect yourself from potential lawsuits and financial losses. If you're in an area prone to natural disasters like floods or earthquakes, you'll want to consider adding additional coverage for those specific perils. Standard policies often don't cover these events, so it's essential to discuss these risks with your insurance provider. Talk to your insurance provider about your specific situation. They can offer valuable insights and recommendations based on their expertise and experience. Be upfront about how you use the property, any potential risks, and any concerns you might have. Transparency is key to ensuring that your policy accurately reflects your needs and provides comprehensive coverage. They can help you navigate the options and build a policy that gives you the protection you need. From understanding the fine print to selecting the right add-ons, your insurance provider is there to guide you every step of the way. Remember, getting the right coverage is about having peace of mind, knowing that no matter what life throws your way, your investment is protected. It's not just about meeting legal requirements, it's about safeguarding your future and ensuring that your property remains a valuable asset for years to come. So, take the time to review your policy, ask questions, and make adjustments as needed. Your property is unique, and your insurance should be too. With the right coverage, you can rest easy knowing that you're prepared for whatever comes your way. In conclusion, customizing your property insurance is an essential step in protecting your investment. By understanding the specific risks and needs of your property, you can work with your insurance provider to create a policy that offers the best possible protection. Don't leave your property to chance, ensure it's covered with a tailored insurance plan. The financial upside: how insurance saves you money in the long run. It's easy to think of insurance as just another expense, but let's shift our perspective for a moment. Instead of viewing it as a cost, consider it a strategic investment in your future. Insurance is not just about paying premiums, it's about securing peace of mind and financial stability. Property insurance is an investment in your financial security and the long-term success of your real estate ventures. When you purchase property insurance, you're essentially buying a safety net that protects one of your most valuable assets. Think about it this way: the cost of your insurance premiums is a small price to pay compared to the potential financial devastation of facing a major covered loss without coverage. The premiums you pay are a fraction of what you might have to spend if disaster strikes. Imagine having to rebuild your property from scratch after a fire, or cover the costs of a lawsuit. These scenarios are not just hypothetical. They happen more often than you might think. Without insurance, the financial burden could be overwhelming. Those are expenses that could easily wipe out your savings and then some. The financial strain of such events can be long-lasting, affecting your ability to invest in other opportunities or even meet your day-to-day expenses. Property insurance acts as a financial safety net, providing you with the funds you need to recover and rebuild. It ensures that you have the resources to get back on your feet quickly, minimizing the disruption to your life and finances. It gives you the breathing room to get back on your feet without derailing your financial goals. With insurance, you can focus on rebuilding and moving forward, rather than worrying about how to cover unexpected costs. So, while it might seem like an added expense up front, remember that property insurance is an investment that can save you a significant amount of money in the long run. It's about more than just protecting your property, it's about safeguarding your financial future. It's about protecting your financial well-being and ensuring that your real estate investments continue to thrive. By investing in insurance, you're taking a proactive step to secure your financial stability and peace of mind for years to come. Building trust and credibility: insurance as a mark of a savvy investor. In the competitive world of real estate, standing out as a credible and trustworthy investor is paramount. In the world of real estate, reputation is everything. Your reputation can make or break your success in this industry. Building trust with potential lenders, partners, and even tenants is crucial. Without trust, securing financing, forming partnerships, and attracting tenants becomes an uphill battle. And you know what speaks volumes about your credibility as an investor? It's not just about having a great property portfolio or impressive financial statements. Having the right insurance coverage. Insurance is a tangible demonstration of your commitment to protecting your investments and the interests of those who do business with you. Think about it. Lenders want to know that their investment is protected. They need assurance that their money is safe and that you have measures in place to mitigate risks. They're more likely to offer favorable terms and interest rates to borrowers who demonstrate responsibility by having adequate insurance. This can significantly lower your borrowing costs and improve your cash flow. Similarly, potential business partners feel more confident collaborating with someone who takes risk management seriously. It shows that you are proactive and prepared for unforeseen circumstances. It shows that you're not just in it for a quick buck. You're in it for the long haul, and you're taking the necessary steps to protect your investments. This long-term perspective is attractive to partners and stakeholders. Even tenants are more inclined to rent from landlords who have property insurance. It reassures them that their living environment is secure and that their landlord is responsible. It provides a sense of security and peace of mind knowing that their belongings are protected in case of a covered event. This can lead to higher tenant satisfaction and retention rates. Having the right insurance coverage is a sign of a responsible and trustworthy investor. It reflects your dedication to safeguarding your assets and the interests of those who rely on you. It demonstrates that you're serious about your business and committed to protecting your assets. This level of professionalism can set you apart in a crowded market. It's a smart move that can open doors to new opportunities and enhance your reputation in the real estate market. By prioritizing insurance, you not only protect your investments but also build a solid foundation for long-term success.